If you've been using your MacBook M3 for a while and have a bunch of apps open, you might be wondering how to fully close or quit them. So let's walk you through 4 different ways to do that, including how to force quit an app when it won't close normally. So when we open up an app and then done working with it and then click on this cross sign, it doesn't fully close the app. As you can see, this dot under all these apps that's still open and running in the background. So all you gotta do is just open up the app, either on the top bar, click on the app name, and then select quit, or when it's open up on your window, you can just go ahead press on this shortcut Command and Q to quit the app. Apart from that, if right click is enabled on your device, you can just right click over the app icon and simply select quit. Apart from that, if you for some reason need to force quit some apps, especially when they're not responding, just go ahead click on the Apple icon, go to force quit. A list of all the apps that's active on our device will show up. Simply select that app and click on force quit and then select force quit once again. And that's pretty much how you can fully close or quit any app on your MacBook M3. Thanks for watching.